How can you combine the text from multiple cells using a formula? How do you combine text with a certain condition? How to reverse a given text using the formula? If you want to answer these questions in your interview, this video is for you. Watch the video till the end. Even if you know basic Excel, I have special surprise for you. Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel Learning with APD. We wish you a very happy Yugadi. Let the festival bring happiness in your life. Today we will be learning how to use concatenate, concat, TextJoin formulas and its syntax, demerits, and when to use which formula. Without further delay, let's go to Excel. The first formula is concatenate. The definition is concatenate is one of the text functions to join two or more text strings into one string. In short, concatenate is used to combine multiple values. You need to understand what is syntax. Syntax will help you to write the formula by giving the information like where you want to put comma and what information you need to input. Every formula will have the syntax. For concatenate, you can see we need to open bracket. Anything you see inside the bracket are called parameters. Here we have n number of parameters. As you can see, 3 dots here. Then we need to give text1. This is our first parameter. It might be a value or a cell reference. Then comma text2 means second text. If you see guys, any parameters with the square brackets, they are optional, and if the bracket is not there, then it is mandatory, just like text1. If we don't give mandatory parameters, formula will not work. Then if you need more values, you need to continue in the same format and then close the bracket. Now we will use concatenate in cell F18 is equal to concatenate. Well, you don't have to worry about the formula. Excel will lead us. You can use the down arrow on your keyboard and select the formula and then press tab on the keyboard. Well, the formula is added. Let's say I am new to this formula and I want to know the definition of the formula. You can always click on F1 on your keyboard. You will get the help on the right hand side. Also, if you want to try interactive formula, then click here. A window will open. You can enter the details. In this case, text1 means this, text2 means this, and click on OK. We can see both the texts are concatenated, but we don't have the space. Now I cannot give the space directly. In this formula, we need to use second text as space, and all text will be given with a inverted comma. So we'll go to the formula. In the second text, we will use inverted comma, space, inverted comma, and comma, and enter. We have the required result. Now we will drag the formula using philander. Now we will use another unique way of concatenate, the same we did in the previous cell. We will use ampersand symbol. So is equal to this and in inverted comma, space, and the last, enter. Now I'll use the philander. There are many arguments which is better between these two formulas, but I suggest whichever is convenient for you, use it. Both does the same work in terms of speed and memory. Now we will use concatenate for the ranges. Is equal to concatenate the range, bracket close, enter. Look, it has taken only first text in the range. Means concatenate will not work for ranges. We will not use the formula to the blank cells because we need to select each cell one by one, as the range I cannot select. The concatenate formula will not be useful for me here as well. Now we will go for concat. As definition says, this is the upgraded version of concatenation, as it accepts the range, but it also has the demerits that it doesn't provide a delimiter or ignore blank cells. Since you are familiar with the syntax, let's straight away go to the formula. In the first method, we will use concat. is equal to concat. I will select the range, close the bracket, and then enter. Nice. We have it concatenated, but I need the space. To get the space, you need to use same method as previous. Is equal to concat first text, comma, in the inverted comma space, and the second text. Bracket close, enter. I'll use the fill handle to fill it. Now we will use concat for range. Is equal to concat, select the range, and bracket close, enter. The range is working, but again the problem is delimiter. Here we can use a shortcut for the delimiter. In the next column, we will write the delimiter. Let's say semicolon and drag it till down. Make sure the last cell to keep blank because after the last ISIN, I don't want the delimiter. Now we will use concat for both columns and we will see the results. We have the required result. Now we will concat with blanks. Let's add the delimiter first and then concat the full range. We have the results, but to ignore blanks, we don't have any option. We have to manually remove the semicolons so that we will have only 3 results. To overcome these 2 demerits, we have TextJoin. So let's go to TextJoin. In the syntax, we can see first it is asking delimiter, and then if you want to ignore blanks or include blanks, then we have the same text1, text2, text3, etc. We will put the formula straight away. Is equal to TextJoin. It is asking for the delimiter. So I'll give semicolon in the inverted comma, comma, ignore blanks, true, comma, text1, text2, we will give the range. Bracket close, enter. You have the same result as concat. We will use TextJoin for ranges. We have the required result here as well. Now we will see TextJoin for ignore blanks is equal to false. So is equal to TextJoin, semicolon, comma, ignore blank is equal to false, comma, the range. Bracket close, enter. Now you see we have the similar result as concat function dead. Now we will use TextJoin ignore blanks is equal to true. Is equal to TextJoin, semicolon, comma, in this case true, comma, the range. Bracket close, enter. We don't see the double semicolons as it is there in the false case. With a large data, do you think concatenate we cannot use as we have to select individual cells? No. We have a simple logic. If you are using older version, you might not be having concat and TextJoin. In that case, you can use this method. So in the C4, I am going to write the formula is equal to concatenate this text, comma, semicolon, comma, the B3. Bracket close, enter. Now you have 2 values concatenated. Now what I will do, I will concatenate the result with the next value. So is equal to concat this result, comma, semicolon, comma, this text, enter. Now you have 3 ISINs concatenated. We will use fill handle to fill all cells. In the last cell, you can see we have all the ISINs concatenated. Friends, for the interview questions, you have the formulas here. The first question is how to combine 2 text with the multiple cells using a formula. This we have already seen. How do you combine text with a certain condition? For that, you can use this formula. Here, we want to know individual person, what all the different product he has purchased. So for that, we will use TextJoin with the if condition as a array formula. You have to use Control Shift and enter, so you will get the right result as it is a array formula. Similarly for concat with the if condition, only the difference is you will not get the delimiter here. Control Shift enter. Now we will use the fill handle to fill the remaining cells. The third question is how to reverse a text using TextJoin. For that, you can use this array formula by using TextJoin mid and other formulas. Control Shift Enter, and we will drag the formula, and we will use the fill handle to fill it. So here are the some important cases. To add dates, we will be using ampersand symbol. It is the easiest method. And to concatenate with the next line, okay, so we will be using TextJoin with character 10. Now you can see all are come in the next lines. I will be uploading separate videos to explain you how to use array formulas. Friends, hope this video was informative. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. It will be free and it will be very useful for me. We will meet in the next session. Till then, take care, watch the videos, keep supporting us, and don't forget to practice Excel. Practice is the only key to succeed in Excel. Thank you, and once again, wish you happy Yugadi. Thank you.